Oh, yep. Oh, good fish. That's big.
That might be a big one.
That's big.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Backlash Angling. We're back in New Zealand. We got about 6 more weeks to go before we head back home to Canada. But we're on a little bit of a river mission here. The water's actually looking pretty good for this specific river. It's not too high, not too low, and it's a really good clarity. So we're about to go stock up on some browns and maybe rainbow or two. But I think it's mainly sea run browns here. So yeah, we're gonna go hit it pretty hard. We got a few places that we want to try out. We're really hoping to get a couple more trout before we start focusing on saltwater fishing. I'm with Max again. Always get on a few fish when Max is with me. So yeah, let's start casting and stock on some trout here. Hopefully catch one pretty quick.
Jeepers. Very.
Yeah, that did this fish. Come after you.
Oh, yep.
Oh,
Got
I
him.
saw him eat, man. I saw him eat. That was sick.
Oh.
Oh, there he is. He's still coming. Oh, that's a good sea run. Oh, that's a big sea run. Did you not see him take it?
I saw him take it.
Oh, that's a big fish.
I saw him take it.
You think that might have been the one?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a nice, pretty sea run. I think it kind of looked darker, eh? Yeah.
I just found the random one.
That was a good fish. I saw him swipe at it 3 times.
Yeah, I saw him go at it once,
Yeah.
twice, and then stop.
Yeah. Oh. There we go.
Oh, no.
I was like, I just got whacked. Oh. Yeah. Take the drag up on him a bit. There we go. I think we're into him here. Oh, he's coming at me. There we go. I don't think he's too bad. Oh, man, I thought I felt him whack too. Oh yeah, pretty one. Right in the side. Nice fish. That's 2. Not as big as the one you got. Smoked soft plastic. Oh, he's getting me in the woods here. Come here. Oh, he's... Yeah, I know. Oh, I'm slipping. Yeah, he's trying to get me in the wood. Oh, that was a sweet little run he just took. All right, he's coming. Man, he is... Dude, he's just so strong. Every time you want to give him something, he just takes it. All right, here we go. This is it. There we go. Dude. Fatty. Oh, that is just beautiful. That is epic. That's so sweet.
All right, so Max just smoked a really good one, similar quality as this, and I bounced right next to the tree next to him, and just an absolute stellar sea run brown. Oh, it's about to go. Just a stellar fish. Like, look at the colors on that thing. Beautiful yellow fins. We just weighed her out, 5 pounds right on the dot. Silver chromed out beauty. And I'm thinking this spot's gonna hold a couple more. So we'll get this beauty back, then we'll keep casting. Maybe hook up a new one soon.
Oh, go, cast in there. Oh, you got him too.
Hooked up. Wasn't recording, but there he goes down river. Track him down. Oh, I'm so pissed I wasn't recording that. You freaking called it right as you're like, he's in there. I don't know how, I think he clobbered it, dude, because he was flipping out and he didn't come off. He's so healthy too. Oh yeah, alright. Nope, nope. These things are insane. Nope. Oh, he's stocky. That's another beaut. Let's go. What the hell? Let's go. Alright, so we just bagged our second fish. Max was going ahead and sadly he got it in the tree, so I got the lucky chance. I wasn't recording, but I was able to toss it right in between a laydown. Another 5-pounder. Look at the colors on that thing. Bright yellow cheeks, beautiful shine right up the middle, amazing dots. These sea runs fight like nothing I've ever had before. Gonna get them on pinned here and then we get a nice release of her. Oh dude, he freaking took that here. Look at that, look how he took that. Just smoked a swim bait. Oh, camera's wet. We don't mind. There it is! Holy crap! Nope. It's another nice healthy fish. Oh, upstream, baby! These things are just crazy. That's a 4-pounder. Maybe bigger. Yeah. 5 pounds. 5 pounds. On the bat.
A nice sight fish brown trout. A Pro Lure UV black paddle grub. Wee paddle tail soft bait.
Alright, so Max just got the skunk off his back, monkey off his back, and yeah, we just cranked another 5. That's 3 trout all right on that 5-pound mark, and they're the most beautiful fish I have seen. So Max sight fishes that one. He goes spots, he goes, all right, there's one, let's go. Bow, bow, little pop, pop, and he just cranks it and then takes us on another whirlwind adventure down the river. But this is turning into something special, and we still have tons of river to fish, so let's keep cranking on these 5-pounders. Hopefully we find that elusive 6. There we go. Oh dude, that's a tank, I think. That's a nice, yeah, pin. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's gonna go for it. Oh, there he goes. That's a beaut. Oh, that's a beauty. Okay. Oh, I was gonna stab at him. Yeah. Put it down for him. He's gonna try to crank you. These things are nuts, man. Yeah. Uh-oh. Use that leverage. Every time he gets close. That's a good call, eh? Up in that pocket? Yeah. We call that the backwards reverse.
Just got 5 3/4. Really nice fish. Out from under the willows.
Holy crap. Big buck, eh?
Yeah.
Good, Jim.
Are we ready? Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good fish. That's big. That's big. I don't know, probably down at the last fish. I'll bring him down.
I'm coming!
He's green as. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're going for a walk. Oh. Yeah. Just go down further. I think we're in for a bit of a long one here. Oh yes.
Dude, that's gonna go, easy pie. 6.5.
The biggest fish of the season so far for me. 6.5 pounds. Beautiful fish.
Choked the bait too. I took it down. What a beauty. Man, what's next?
I don't know.
I don't know what else to say. This is gonna be a long video, but I don't apologize. Just way too many good quality fish. Like this is madness. So we got 4 all over 5. We got 5.5, 2 5s, and a 6.5. Like, if we touch that 7, baby. Let's keep going though. The river's long and there's plenty of places to fish.
Alright, so that's a wrap on the session for the day. Actually, probably one of my most memorable fishing days in New Zealand so far. We saw countless fish, easily over 2 dozen, and hooked up, caught 5, lost 3, and just yet, like I said, saw tons of fish. So just a quickly note on what we were using today. We were just using little 1/12 ounce jig heads with Max was using just a black paddle tail, and I was using just like a crystal emerald paddle tail, something natural, and those browns were just freaking crushing it. It was insane. Just the quality of fish too in that river is just giants, like 5-pounders all day long, and then that 6.5 was a nice cherry on top. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we got plenty of stuff coming, and saltwater is just coming up too, so just right around the corner. So yeah, you gotta stay tuned for that. Cheers.